Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday at 9:57 a.m. And before I head into my GoPro training, first and foremost, the reveal of my new background. I like this better. Okay, y'all see the paint splashes, the blue, the orange, just a bunch of stuff. I think I like this background. All right, so I'm sticking with this one for a minute. Anyone that noticed the wrinkles before, there's no wrinkles. All right, so this morning I'm gonna be fast, okay? Two quotes for you. When you have a great and difficult task, something perhaps almost impossible, if you only work a little at a time, every day a little, suddenly the work will finish itself. Okay. Second quote: the difference between a successful person and others is not lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack in will. Okay. So, a great and difficult task. Let's bring this into perspective. Okay. Myself got my team or my group into a bet, and we have to get to 1,000 YouTube followers by. I'm not going to tell y'all to do that because I want to make this goal happen a little faster, okay? But 1,000, we started at 69. And when you have a great and difficult task, 1,000 YouTube followers is a great and difficult task, y'all, because you have to give enough content. It's not just the 1,000 people. You have to give enough content to want to help people subscribe, right? People are going to want to have a reason to come back. They need a reason to subscribe, right? So that means that I gotta get my life in order, and I have to have the will and the strength and the knowledge. I have to go and get knowledge, pour into myself, and put back out knowledge into the atmosphere in order to make this work, right? So the 1,000 subscribers seems to me a great and difficult task, right? Maybe even impossible. Who knows? I think that as a group of people who collaborate all the time and who work a little at a time every single day, I think we together can make this happen. So, although right now I'm saying it's a great and difficult task and something perhaps impossible, it's really possible because a group of people are going to collaborate and make this happen. And then the group is going to share in the prize. So I think we're going to make it work. I know. Matter of fact, let me erase that word think. Think. I know it's going to happen. Okay. We are going to make this happen. We will get to 1,000. We had a call on Zoom and we calculated the effort that it's going to take each person. It was 20 people on the call that day. We calculated, we pulled out our calculators and we calculated how many people each one of us need to bring to YouTube, how we're going to help get to this 1,000. And we are going to make this happen. We are going to get to 1,000 YouTube subscribers. We will win. Okay. All right. That's my tidbit to today. For today, I can't talk today, but I just really wanted to reveal my screen, my background. Okay. You guys like it? Let me know in the comments if you like it. Tell me what you think. You can actually see me with this background. The green isn't taking me out of the picture. And just next up this week, at some point in time, I'm going to do a session called Question Everything, Consultations and Conversations. Question everything. Consultations and conversations. And I believe that I'm going to have a presentation for the screen. So you'll also get a presentation as well. That's my goal for this week, and special presentation that I'm going to bring to YouTube. So you guys come back for more, because you know there's always more. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a bell. There's buttons. You have to subscribe so that you'll get notices when new videos come out. And hopefully I'm bringing you some good content. So see you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Enjoy everything about everything this weekend. Don't weigh into the weather. Don't fall victim to thinking it's ugly outside, because it's not. I'm looking out the window right now. Let's get moving. I'll see you guys later. Thank you.